Alright, I'm gonna take my mayonnaise. I'm thinking about going to get some emergency, I think that's what's that called, to help with my cough and hopefully get mine to slow down. With Tootie, I don't know what she can take because she's not even 2 yet. So I'm going to go to the drugstore today and figure out what I can do. Y'all already know. Can't forget this. Y'all hear her coughing? It is so bad.